Welcome to Knot So Kreativ. In this tutorial, I'll teach you the Estonian Cast-On method, a versatile and elegant technique often used for projects requiring a stretchy and decorative edge. It can also serve as a ribbed cast-on. Let's dive in. To start, set up your yarn in the same way you would do for the long tail cast-on. Now, place your second needle aside for a moment. We need to shift the position on the yarn on our thumb. Take the yarn and pass it under, then over your thumb like this. This creates a small loop. Let me show you again what I just did. Okay, now we can begin. This next step happens only for the first stitch. Coming from underneath, insert your needle into the loop on your thumb, then down along your index finger to grab the yarn, and finally take it back through the loop on your thumb. Release the loop from your thumb while keeping tension in your fingers. Return your thumb to the long tail cast-on position. But now we'll shift the yarn position on our thumb. Release the yarn and grab it from the opposite side. With your right needle, go under the innermost thread on your thumb, grab the yarn on your index finger, and bring it through the thumb loop. Release the loop from your thumb and pull gently. Next, cast the following stitch using the long tail cast-on method. Now we just have to repeat the variation. With the long tail setup, release the yarn on your thumb and grab it from the opposite side. Insert the needle under the innermost thread on your thumb, grab the yarn on your index finger and bring it through the loop. Release and pull. Long tail cast-on again. Now we just have to repeat these steps until you have the desired number of stitches. When using the Estonian Cast-On, check on your tension. The loops should be even, but not overly tight. This preserves the elasticity and makes it easier to work into the first row. Now, what happens if you forget which stitch to cast on next? Let's look at the stitches. It looks like two stitches were purled together. You see this bump? The stitch on the right side of each pair is a long tail cast-on, while the left one and the bump pairing them is formed by the variation. Let me show you. I'll start with the long tail cast-on. No bump yet, as you can see. And now the variation. And the sequence continues. If I cast in the incorrect order, you'll notice the sequence is interrupted. Knowing this makes it easy to identify and fix the issue. Keeping the sequence ensures your edge looks smooth and clean, maintaining the decorative aspect of this cast-on. And that's Estonian Cast-On. It's a beautiful and practical technique that adds a touch of elegance into your projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Have you tried this method before? I'd love to hear about your projects too. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.